Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. Today we are spotlighting a hairstyle that's making waves among stylish, confident women over 50, the soft layered bob. If you are dealing with thinning hair or just want a fresh flattering look, this cut is the perfect match. The soft layered bob is more than just a trend. It's a smart, timeless haircut that adds body and shape to fine or thinning hair. The light feathered layers give your hair movement and make it look fuller, while the length frames your face beautifully. This style is especially great for women over 50 because it's low maintenance, modern, and age defying. Whether your hair is grey, colored, or salt and pepper, the soft bob blends it all together with elegance and easy. It also lifts the face visually, giving you a fresher, more youthful appearance. You can wear this cut straight, softly curled, or even tousled for a more casual vibe. Just a little volume at the roots or a side part can completely transform your look. It works great with glasses, earrings, and all your favorite accessories. The soft layered bob is flattering, functional, and full of charm. The perfect haircut for any woman who wants to look elegant and confident over after 50. Which version did you love the most? Sleek and straight or soft or wavy? Tell us in the comment and don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned to Fashion Blast for more hair and style inspiration for fabulous women like you. So my dear friend, after watching the video, you must comment in the comment section how was the video and what you want to see on our channel videos, and do sharing my video with your friends and your family. Somehow I will keep bringing good videos for you guys. At the same time, I would like ask your permission to leave. See you soon in another nice video. Until then, take care of yourself. Thank you.